Okay, I'm going to show you the site I've been working on. Just a small backyard that I'm getting set up. It's got a lot of cleanup that needs to be done. It's not super big. It's definitely under 1,000 square feet, but we'll do what we can with it. I'm not sure about the level of contamination in the soil, so I'm not going to keep it. I'm not going to use the existing soil. I'm still going to amend it, maybe add some more organic matter to the soil. I have to till it all up just to level it out, but the plan is that I'll put on raised beds, but I'll talk more about that later as the process continues. So for the time being, this is what I have to work with. So I started cutting this tree down and thought I should get a starting point. So this is my yard in its present state after having 4 dogs and then 2 dogs and just not doing a whole lot with it. That back corner is a failed compost heap. I forgot to turn it and just left it. I'll probably take all these trees out, and I've got a whole bunch of stumps and stuff here from this tree. So I'll pull all those out and see what I can do with this space. Hopefully it looks good. So the trees are gone, stumps are out. These right here are my lavender bushes, what's left of them. Not sure if I'll rip those out, probably will. I just want to till all this under and give it a fresh start, level it all out, do raised beds. Had some chives right there that it's time to go. And that is a monster sage bush. I planted it from seed about 12 years ago. And I don't use that much sage, and I really don't see a lot of market potential for it, so I'll probably at least trim it way back if I don't remove it completely. That takes up a huge amount of space for something that's really not particularly useful for me. But cleared off all the brush from, well, except that little pile back there, from the trees, the hawthorns I took out. And I thought, well, since I'm here, I'll save the berries, at least the really good looking ones. I've got to spread all those out and let them dry, but started pulling these stumps out. This one is a beast, but it'll get there. Now, once I get these out, my plan is to till all of this under and till it nice and deep and give it a good raking and make it exactly how I want it, and then put raised beds down and go from there. It's October, so I won't have much time. Won't have any time to plant much unless I get some season extension in. But right now that's not the plan, so we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.